The following message is transmitted at the request of NASA, the United Nations, and the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Our world is coming to an end. NASA has discovered a 588 miles wide asteroid named Ceres is on a collision course with the Earth. This asteroid is one of the largest asteroids than normal asteroid. Ceres is expected to collide with the Earth within the next 2 hours. Once Ceres hits the Earth, mega tsunamis will form, mega earthquakes will hear, Kessler syndrome will take place, a huge firestorm will form, and the sun will be totally blocked for 44 years. There is nothing we can do to stop or escape from this cataclysm event. There is no reason to stay calm. Go into panic mode. Gather your friends, family, pets, kids, and children, and prepare for the end. The national anthem will play for the final time. May God save to us all.
Through the night.